Hello and welcome back to another video with your girl Nat. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how I come up with my delicious recipe for my turkey necks. So right here I have 2 pounds of turkey necks, which I'm going to be seasoning with some cayenne pepper, some seasoning salt, some garlic powder, some paprika, some parsley flakes, some black pepper, and then we're going to use some thyme. With my clean hands, I'm going to go ahead and toss these around. So to your hot oil, you're going to add your meat. Golden brown. This is the color you're looking for. As you can see, they're nicely golden brown. And you just want to make sure you get that crust on every last one of them, because that crust that we're going to have left over, we're going to use for our gravy. So, very, very important to try to brown your meat. So while the meat is still cooking, we're going to go over here and cut up an onion. So when we get them to the brownness that we want, we're going to go ahead and remove the meat. And I'm setting mine over into my crock pot. So to this oil, we're going to go ahead and add our onions. Add all your onions. So we're gonna get everything from the bottom. That's gonna be our seasoning. Let these onions sweat down. So when our onions are looking like this, we're gonna go ahead and add our green onion. So now we're gonna make our gravy. And how we're gonna make our gravy is we're gonna add to our onions some flour. So now the onions that I just prepared, I'm going to go ahead and add them. So now we're going to add our broth to our meat. I'm going to get another cup of water. Then we're going to add a bay leaf. And we're going to cover, and then I'll come right back to y'all. Thank you for tuning in to yet another video. I really appreciate your support. Don't forget to turn your bell on so you don't miss out when I first post. And tell a friend to tell a friend. Until next time, peace.